Once upon a time, you couldn't wait to talk to each other. Now, the silence says more than words ever could. You sit together, but feel miles apart. If this feels familiar, you're not alone. Modern marriages are struggling, not because we love less, but because life got in the way. Marriage used to be about duty, family, and staying together no matter what. But today, we expect so much more. Connection, intimacy, growth, happiness, adventure. And while that's beautiful, it also means we feel like failures when things get hard. But here's the truth. Every marriage has seasons. Winter doesn't mean the end. It just means something needs warmth. Fairy tales taught us that love fixes everything. But real love, it's showing up on the hard days. It's choosing each other even when the spark feels dim. No one tells you that even in the best relationships, there will be lonely nights. What matters is how you hold on through them. We say a lot, but do we really listen? Sometimes it's not the loud fights that destroy love. It's the quiet resentments, the unsaid things, the swallowed pain. We stop being teammates. We start keeping score. But it doesn't have to stay that way. We're more connected to the world than ever, yet more disconnected from each other, scrolling through perfect lives while missing the imperfect beauty beside us. Love needs presence, and presence needs effort. In trying to be everything for everyone, we forget who we were, and then we wonder why we feel empty. But you matter too. Your growth, your dreams, your peace. You can't pour from an empty cup. And marriage is not about losing yourself. It's about growing, side by side. So how do we begin again? Here are 5 small, powerful shifts that can bring back the love. 1. Talk from the heart. Not just about the day, but about what's going on inside. 2. Lower the pressure. Let your partner be human. Let yourself be too. 3. Protect your connection. No phones at dinner, no screens between kisses. 4. Make time, real time, for each other. Even 10 minutes of undivided attention can heal miles of distance. 5. Support each other's growth. Celebrate their wins. Cheer for their dreams. You're in this together. Marriage isn't meant to be perfect. It's meant to be real, messy, beautiful, hard, worth it. Sometimes we just need to remember why we chose each other and choose each other all over again.